Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with a beige interior. You also see this black and silver accent throughout the vehicle as well. Sunroof, both front and rear. Blind spot assist. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rear of the vehicle. As you can see our GLB 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Some brand new floor mats for you here. Of course, those rear seats can fold down if you need a little extra storage. And taking a look at the rear of the vehicle now. See this really nice accent stitching, this two-toned beige and black interior, really sharp. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at the driver's side. So we do have memory seats for both driver and passenger, as well as heated seats for both driver and passenger. So you can see the driver's seat controls here. Below that, driver door controls. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. The mileage is currently at 15,054, and we have a push button ignition. So you can see our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display. There's a touchscreen, or you can control it using the command module right down here. So,
and we're going to be down there cruising the St. Croix River.
And backup camera. Below that we have our climate control, cup holders, the command module, as well as the dynamic switch for switching between different sport and gear modes here. Individual, comfort, eco, off-road. And then of course the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to get any information or see any photos of this GLB 250 or any of the other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.